ladies, welcome back. I hope you wear t-shirts. I think most of us wear t-shirts, except my mom. She doesn't really wear t-shirts, but I totally think she will rock them as she did in her early years. But in this video, I wanted to share an easy guide for you guys that you can use to find your perfect t-shirt. It's kind of second to our skin, and if we find the perfect match, it looks really flattering on us, and it can also go the other way around. So I really wanted to create this easy guide so that you can use this while you are shopping or you are looking for that perfect t-shirt so you can find your match made in heaven. So let's get started. Now, if you're new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of these style videos again. A basic t-shirt has so many sleeve styles, but it can totally change your appearance depending on what sleeve style you're wearing. If you wear a loose fit sleeve style, your arms actually look slender and slim, which I love. But if you are wearing a fitted sleeve style, your arms actually look rounder. So it's natural that men prefer to wear fitted sleeves and women prefer loose sleeves. But if you are wearing a 3/4 sleeve and it's still fitted, your arms still look slim. Isn't that crazy? This is actually an important part of the make of a t-shirt. Crew necks look more put together and classic and actually can add some structure to your entire outfit. But a V-neck looks more laid back and casual and gives you a bit of a relaxed style. There is also another style that is coming back, the collar neck, mostly in the form of a polo shirt, which is a perfect combination of business and casual. You can just add a blazer on top and you will be business ready. I was actually wearing my husband's t-shirt. An oversized style actually looks most flattering on all body types, as it makes your silhouette slimmer with the contrast oversized proportion and is the best style to wear. If you have fuller chest, then an oversized t-shirt actually looks flattering because it balances out the proportion. A fitted style, on the other hand, looks awesome with the flowy bottom because, hello, proportion contrast again, and it actually looks good on athletic figure because it kind of hugs them in the right places, and maybe that is why, guys, men prefer fitted t-shirts. There is also a middle ground, and which is called a straight fit, which kind of fits you perfectly without hugging your body and adds in a structured silhouette to your outfit, and you can pair it with blazers and jacket and look really chic. There are usually two styles, and you really need to pay attention to this if you don't like tucking in your t-shirts. There is the straight hem, which is more evened out throughout the bottom of the t-shirt, and it actually looks perfect with a half tuck because it's kind of evened out. And you can also leave it untucked completely. If, say for example, you're wearing a cropped style and you can't really fully tuck your cropped tee, leaving a straight hem just like that looks good. There is that round shape hem which has a side slit most of the time, but not always, which kind of gives you more of a lounge vibe. And so it's perfect for athleisure looks and styles if that's what you're going for. So if you like more structured style, go for more of a straight hem, which is perfect for you. Now, I thought I would talk about this because even though there is no right or wrong material of a t-shirt, it's completely based on your preference, but the material also defines kind of the look and feel, or you can say the vibe the t-shirt is giving out. If the material of the t-shirt is poor quality, it does look cheap even though you've paid a lot of money for it. This is especially important if you like wearing white t-shirt or light colored t-shirts. Now, a good t-shirt should never be see-through. It can be lightweight, but it should not be see-through. If you wash a t-shirt and it gets lighter, then it's actually not good quality, guys. There are plenty of brands out there who make really good quality t-shirt, but they're not that expensive. Usually, 100% cotton t-shirt is really good quality material and is most likely not see-through. It can be slightly see-through if it is a white t-shirt. You can avoid some kind of show by wearing a nude bra that actually matches your skin tone. Now, if there is a little bit of blend of spandex or elastane in the t-shirt's material, then most likely that t-shirt is more for athleisure or lounge purposes and would be most likely see-through. Were you able to find your perfect t-shirt by watching this video? Comment below what it is. If you guys liked this video, please don't forget to click the like button to support your gal so I can keep making these kind of videos for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified every time a new video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!